Minimize button. What will do minimize button? This button is used to minimize the paint window. When you click on this button, what will happen? This window will disappear and the icon of the window will locate over the taskbar. The maximize button. This button is used to maximize the paint window. Suppose this is a very short format of a window. When you click on the maximize button, this window will become larger on the screen of the computer. And when you again click on, after clicking on this, what will happen? This rectangular box will disappear and it replaced by this icon. This icon is called restore down button. When you have maximized the window, this button will appears in front of you. What does it mean? When you click on this button, then window will become in the short format. You can see this window in a short format. But when you click on this button, the window will appear in a large format. So close button. This button is to close the paint program. This is the close button. When you click on the close button, what will happen? This window will disappear from the screen of computer. No icon will locate from on the taskbar. क्या इससे हम ये समझते हैं कि जब हम क्लोज बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ये पूरी की पूरी विंडो डिसअपियर हो जाएगी, कोई भी आइकन टास्क बार पे शो नहीं करेगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड व्हेन वी मिनिमाइज, जब हम मिनिमाइज करते हैं तो क्या होता है, तब भी विंडो डिसअपियर हो जाती है, लेकिन उस विंडो का आइकन यहाँ पे शो होता है सो दैट वी कैन रीओपन द विंडो. बट इन द केस ऑफ क्लोज वी कैन नॉट रीओपन द विंडो. There is a file button at the left corner of the window. It has option to close, open, save and print a file. This is the file tab. This is the file button. When you click on the file button, what happens? It contains several options to save, close, open and print a file, with the help of which you can do your task within a short time.